Most WordPress websites aren't getting hacked because of 0 days. They're getting hacked because of things you already know. Outdated plugins, weak permissions, exposed endpoints, and no two-factor authentication. In this video, I'll be showing you how to audit and harden a WordPress website using Claude Code with InstaWP's built-in MCP integration. So let's dive right in. Here I have a WooCommerce website on InstaWP. It's a disposable sandbox, nothing fancy. MCP is already enabled so Claude Code can directly interact with the website. If you want to learn how to enable MCP and connect Claude Code, check out the video in the description below. Now let's move to the terminal and type Claude to open the Claude Code environment. One of the most common ways WordPress websites gets compromised is through plugins. Most websites run 20 to 30 plugins. Checking each one manually for vulnerabilities is slow, inconsistent, and usually skipped. But with AI enabled on your site, you can scan everything from the terminal and actually act on it. Let me show you how. First, let's see what's installed using a simple prompt. List all the plugins on this website. Within seconds, Claude pulls the full list. Now let's do the actual security check using another prompt. I will tell Claude to scan the plugins for CVEs, severity, issue, and patch status. It takes a little while to process the request, and here we have it. The post SMTP plugin has a critical vulnerability. The issue is broken access control, leading to risks like attackers could read your email logs and reset tokens. But the current status is already patched, means we are on a safe version, no action needed from our side. And this is the key difference. Instead of guessing or manually auditing, you know what's vulnerable, you know what's already fixed, and you know what actually needs your attention. Another common entry point for hackers is weak admin security caused by old admin accounts, overprivileged users, and lack of two-factor authentication. Most teams don't audit this regularly because it's tedious. Now let's try this using Claude Code. I'll ask Claude Code to audit all user accounts and perform additional actions using a prompt. As you can see on my test site, it has flagged the issues like two-factor authentication is not enabled, no backup codes, and no security keys. So we have a clear gap here. Instead of going to settings and configuring everything manually, I again told Claude to take appropriate action. That's it. It insulated and enabled 2FA and my site is secured now. Similarly, you can remove a user completely or change its role based on the security threat it poses to the website. Wrong file permission are the kind of things that sit on a website from day one and nobody ever checks it. Database credentials, core files, admin directories, and if any of those got leaked, your website is at a grave risk. So now let's use Claude Code to audit file permissions for wp-config.php, .htaccess, wp-admin, and wp-includes. And just like that, Claude flagged the file permission issues with my site. You can see that my site's wp-config.php file is well readable, .htaccess and wp-admin file is writable. Now all these are serious security issues that needs immediate action. Now to fix it, I simply told Claude to lock down the open files and update their permissions, and it did all of that instantly. This way I was able to harden everything across the system without manual SSH. Most WordPress websites still uses the default WP_prefix. That makes automated SQL injection attacks easier. However, as you can see, InstaWP already randomizes your database prefix by default, like IWP7756_ instead of WP_. So your database is already protected against this vulnerability. For sites not on InstaWP, fixing it manually is risky and time consuming. But now, having AI at my disposal, I was able to check the database prefix, generate scripts to randomize, and update all references in one go using Claude Code only. Claude Code could generate a safe PHP script, rename the prefix, handled table renaming, options updates, and user meta fixes for me. So instead of writing SQL manually, I get a controlled, repeatable process. Many sites leak information without even realizing it. Things like readme.html exposes WordPress, REST API exposes usernames, debug logs publicly accessible are easy wins for attackers. You can simply tell Claude to check for information leakage, readme, REST API users, debug logs, wp_debug, and public logs like I did. And as you can see, now I know that REST API is exposing admin username, debug.log is publicly accessible, and readme file is fully exposed. Now I can fix everything by simply telling Claude Code to disable the REST endpoints, remove readme.file, and block the debug logs. All of this happened without any plugins installed and without any manual configurations. That's the power of AI for WordPress. Finally, let's see how you can detect and handle malware using AI. Malware usually hides in obfuscated code and gets missed by traditional security plugins, or even worse, flagged with too many false positives. This is where AI with InstaWP changes the workflow. I just told Claude Code to scan all the file system for malware signatures, base 64 patterns, obfuscated PHP and suspicious uploads. And it runs a full scan and returns with the concerns. As you can see on my site, one suspicious PHP file is flagged, everything else is verified clean. So I have full visibility to the malware scan. And more importantly, it doesn't stop at the detection itself. It even suggests the next steps, what to remove, what to verify, and where deeper access like SSH is needed. So instead of guessing or relying on noisy scans, you get precise detection, context behind the risk, clear actions to take. Now that's the modern way of securing WordPress. What you're seeing here isn't just scanning, it's execution. Here the AI doesn't just find the issues, it explains them, prioritizes them, and it fixes them all in the same workflow. This works because Claude Code is directly connected to your website through InstaWP's MCP integration. With InstaWP and MCP, agencies and developers can now shift WordPress security from reactive to controlled. If your site is on InstaWP, it's already built in. Set it up, connect once and try these workflows yourself. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.